How about this thing? Bought it from Walmart. So let's put some air and sprinkle it. And then get the brush and sprinkle it again. And you have a clean window. The more you put air, the better it flows. Same thing with the lights. And get the brush, go a few times. And clean and dirty. And just do the other window too. Let me show you this side. Get the brush. All set, nice and clean. So how do I clean my Lagos? Spray it. And then taking the brush, it's nice and clean again. Well, it's temporary until I'll get to car wash, truck wash. So it's nice and clean now. And I think that this whole thing, I think it's about 25 bucks for everything, maybe 30 bucks. So it looks better now.